Aubrey and Lance, of course. Since alam naman natin na this is the fourth book already, di ba? And we have different timeline, ganyan. So, the question is, do you believe now is the perfect time for you guys to launch?
I believe so because the last how many years, 3 to 4 years, have been pretty rough for me as an actor. Aubrey last 16 years. So ang tagal namin hinantay ito. And I think this is really the perfect time because yung hunger namin to prove everybody, to prove to everyone na kaya namin gawin to is there. And it's never gonna go away. That's all. Thank you.
Yeah. Same. Like, I can say now this is the perfect timing. Kasi we've waited talaga for so long for this kind of opportunity. And, ayun, I mean, sa workshops, nasasabi namin, we have the same goals. Like, we want this. We really want this. And, etong timing na to, for us, it's perfect. Kasi tagal nga namin naghintay. And hindi naman to, siguro, i-bless sa amin ni Lord kung hindi ito yung perfect para sa amin. Yun po. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Pao Camiano. We have Ana Cerezo of ABS-CBN.
Hi! Congratulations!
Thank you po.
For direct, i-rate mo naman itong ating mga bagong leads. Out of 10, ano ba ang kilig factor for you sa mga eksena? On set and off set?
Daming magagalit.
Ay!
But on set muna, sige. Since very fresh pa yung shoot namin, but we've been shooting a lot of kilig scenes, no? Hindi pa chapter 19, no? Wala pa yun. If you know, you know. Pero, ano pa, I think a good 7.5 to 8.
Oh.
And that's pretty high. Because ano pa yan eh, yun yung stage na cat and dog pa sila sa Ligaya House. But again, we will evolve to a 10. But hopefully, off-screen we go to an 11.
Wow!
But I'm happy that sila yung na-pair because they really have chemistry sa screen, no? And it's so nice to see them that they're helping each other, and that's what a good love team is. When they help each other, when they communicate, and also when nagpaparamdam sila na yung vulnerability nila, that's very important. I've been working with a lot of love teams, and I could say that, this one is very strong, and I could see it. So I'm very excited na makita niyo yung episodes, no? Para makita niya yung pagkakilig, and with also the other Univergada. So yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ana Cerezo from ABS-CBN. Next up, we have Richard Bagligawan ng Lionheart TV.
Hello, good afternoon. Ayun. Ang question nito para sa mga pairs natin. Kasi curious lang ako kung paano nag-work yung isang Gen Z love team. Kasi dami na naming nakilalang mga love teams from the past hanggang ngayon. So ngayon bilang mga launch na love teams, paano ba nag-work yung isang Gen Z love team? And paano kayo nagdodraw ng line between from real to real?
Parang Gen X naman.
Basta yung bago, yung ngayon.
Hindi, parang mga Gen X naman ito eh. Hindi naman Gen Z. Hindi.
Okay.
Ba't parang nagbabataan sa akin, Wilbur? Siguro, it's about being collaborative with each other. As long as being professional in terms of work, na magtrabaho, kailangan talaga collaborative kayo. Kailangan kung ano yung kailangan ng eksena, ibibigay ninyo. Kung ano yung kailangan ninyo pag nasa harap kayo ng mga tao, yun din yung ibibigay ninyo. Kasi yun nga, di ba, parang hindi naman tulad dati na kapag nakakatuluyan. Ang dami rin ng mga love teams ever since na love teams lang. They never talaga nagkatuluyan sa personal lives nila, no? But I think it's just being professional and just being collaborative with each other. And just knowing the boundaries na ito work, ito friend, ito personal life, no? Kailangan alam mo yung difference between your personal life and your work. Diba? And also, the people should know it na pag ito, trabaho, ito, personal life. Para mas ma-enjoy natin yung pagtatrabaho, mas ma-enjoy natin yung, working with each other. Yung pagiging collaborative ng isa't isa. So, siguro ganun yun.
So paano mo nade-describe yung partnership ninyo?
Kami hindi ko very professional. She's really collaborative. Like kanina, before we do the runway thing, pinag-uusapan talaga namin what we should do, diba, to at least look good and give the people, diba, what they want, the work that we need to do. So, just be professional.
Sorry. To add lang, I feel like sobrang swerte din po namin kasi ang mga nakasama namin for the whole cast, this barkada kasi talaga, we created this friendship where it's such a safe place. And iba-iba yung edad namin. So we both share what we think would be okay on stage, or kumbaga kapag nag-acting kami or on set. It's very nice na naging magkaibigan kami and we keep that bond. And yun yung nakakatulong din when you're comfortable with your partner. It helps a lot with doing a scene. So yun lang po talaga. With me and Jai kasi it's very collaborative. We really talk about what will work. And I'm grateful na very napaka-giving niyang actor. So ayun po for Shakira. Shakira! Yes.
Thank you, Richard Baglikawan. Up next, it's Hannah Bingol ng Pika Pika at Abante.
Christian.
Go everyone yata, the question's for everyone, right?
Thank you.
Sa amin naman, katulad ng sabi ko the last time, it's us, just being us individually. Then there you go, yun na yun, like, nabubuo yung work, the teamwork, the love team as a couple, and everything. Tapos, we get to share everything na alam namin na hindi lang basta nakakatulong, kumbaga yung gusto mo. Katulad nga ng sinasabi nila, hindi mo sinishare yung bagay na to para mag-benefit siya or mag-benefit ka. Sinishare mo to kasi siya yung tao gusto mong i-share lang. Alam mo, sometimes it's nonsense na mag-share, pero masaya minsan na ikaw pala yung pinipili ng tao para mag-share.
Yeah, okay naman. Nag-uusap naman kasi kami about boundaries. Also, before we did everything, nagkaroon kami ng intimacy workshop. It's for everyone naman. So that we know kung ano yung comfortable for each other and para, maging safe space namin yung isa't isa. So until now, we practice that. Yun po.
Ngayon,
About mo sa love team na Gen Z. Ano po, nagti-TikTok po, gano'n. Ito yung vision na, Gen Z, di ba? Amin yun yung ginagawa ngayon ng mga love team, nagti-TikTok.
Siguro po yung paano ma-differentiate yung love teams ngayon sa dati. Yun, mas maraming ways para ma-promote ngayon kesa nung araw. And siguro, kung para sa akin ang love team ngayon, magandang bagay kasi yung mga fans mas open-minded, yung mga supporters mas open-minded. So hindi, kumbaga, they respect you, they respect your craft, they respect your work, but at the same time, they respect you with your private or your personal life and you as a person. And I think that's very nice and maganda yun na i-apply din kahit sa love teams. Kasi as long as you're being professional, you don't have to pretend, you don't have to make paasa, you don't have to, alam yun, hindi mo kailangan mag-promote lang maging sweet for promotion because ang mas maganda yung raw eh. What you give is the real you, di ba? So, as long as professional kayo, tulungan kayong dalawa, and okay naman yun, as long as you respect also each other's boundaries. Kasi gusto natin masaya tayo sa trabaho natin, pero dapat masaya din tayo sa personal life natin.
Ako naman sundan yung kay Bea. Pero ano naman, for me and Haya, as long as, you know, we're being there for each other, and yun nga sabi ni Joy, being collaborative, and just having good energy on the set, like to work with her all the time, and I know that's the most important thing with her, is just the energy, and we built this special friendship na ongoing sa set, and then now that we're doing a new show, just being, you know, professional. Like what Jai said, like the boundaries that we have to each other, but at the same time, yun, yung napapasaya din namin yung fans from work kasi that's important, of course. Pero the most important thing is just being there for each other.
I personally feel like I have nothing to add on because I agree with everything that everyone said, but I don't know, with what Gab said, Pero with what Gab said, like, I agree. I really appreciate our partnership and I truly do cherish it. So it's very special to me.